That's a beautiful way. He just changes the pace of the delivery by Afri. Oh, it was no ball for sure. Outside from the track. That is once again very well cleared the distance. That is go straight to the fielder, unserved the fielder, gathered nicely, just for a single. What a cracking start once again by Shafi Chambarika. A genius in batting, and he is keeping all the hopes and dreams upon his shoulder, and always like to start with some sixes, and he produced a kick start. Lala to the onside, into the gap, tough chase. And very well done by the fielder there, having some control while attempting in the outfield. Brilliant piece.
Yasir Arafat comes and straight away the wicket that produced by Yasir Arafat, and showcasing something different type of frustration. First wicket goes down, and Sindhu comes. White ball there. Come on, Omnaika.
Extra coverage here. This is tremendous power that using by Salim Kombanadikam. First ball maximum. Such a stellar batting display that showcasing by these two guys have launching. This is another one, but miss it looks to be a slow delivery of Yasir Arafat, who is bringing a return ticket to Sellu. Replay in a sudden, and makes no mistake by the fielder there. New batter comes in, Ashfaq joins. Ashfaq was useful all-rounder. Powerfully played as a grounder straight to the fielder. Nicely gathered and taken a single straight away off the mark by Ashfaq was. And he gives the strike back to Shafi Chambarika. That's very important. Oh, big swing, but perfectly maintaining the rhythm with that wonderful length in front of Shafi Chambarika. Beats with a beauty. And moving to the last ball of the over, number 2. Little kept it down on the track and beautifully beats again. 2 dot balls in a row after wickets, and it will be 24 for the loss of 2 after 2. 24 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ മെഹ്ഫിൻ ചെമ്പരിക്ക. Nice over that produced 2 wickets, but 24 looks to be a standard score on card at this time of 2 overs. Comes into the attack by the left-hand bowler. Asib, and straight away it will be nothing chance. Gets stoppage, but no chance to get any kind of movement for the batters. Senior junior combo. Not gets the right connection, but he gets some movement between the wicket. Will be a single. That exactly Shafi and Mahfin Chambarika looks to be in the next some minutes. 25 runs, almost in the half stage of the first innings. That is lovely stroke, but goes straight to the field. Oh man, oh man. Just over and sub that go on. Or what? Six runs given. Absolutely just over Ansaf Talangara, and gets another maximum by Shafi Chambarika. Oh, very fast on this occasion by Asib, generating extra bit of little speed in front of Sharp. 2 more balls to go from the over. A very, very interesting contest. Shafi is doing a one-man show in consecutive matches for the team. Shafi goes high in the sky, and there is fielders comes and reacts superbly, and Ansaf Talangara makes no mistakes on this occasion, and that will be the end of an entertainment from Shafi Chambarika. He has gone back. Important wicket at the important junction of the game for the team. 31 for the loss of 3. Last ball. Comes in at number 5. Fives for Mahfin Chambarika. 31 for 3 right now. Last ball of the over, number 3. What a breakthrough that was, and what a priceless wicket they grabs. Fives is a classical batter. Comes and joins. Absolute beauty on this occasion by Asib. A successful over comes to an end. Just 7 came from the over. And he brings a wicket of Big Shafi. 31 for the loss of 3 after 3. The famous Kaja in Kasaragod cricket. Ajmal coming with the action. A very experienced player who just setting the right fielders at the right position. He wants a different start here for their second match. Lovely delivery, a very strong length in front of Ashfaq, the little master, and using it a little back. Oh, gone! Little early sing from Ashfaq, having a little bit dancing shoes and that targeting right on stump with a beauty by Ajmal Khoja. 31 for the loss of 4. Here comes Razi MCC Dubai, the man behind this tournament, the man behind MCC Dubai, comes into the center picture as a new batter for the team, Mehfin Chambarika. Lovely stroke, finds a gap, and the fielder comes and reacts superbly. What a good fielding effort there, and 2 runs resulted. He cuts 2 runs. രണ്ട് റൺസുകളോടി നേടിയെടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് തന്റെ ആദ്യ സ്കോറിംഗ് മത്സരത്തിൽ റാസി MCC ദുബായ് drive straight away. Straight to the non-striker. Chance or what, and go on. Good hands by the fielder. Shubaib brings it easy. That's in the form of run out, and Razi is going back. Faiz waiting for that slow delivery and taps it through the onside. Finds a fielder just for a single, and he gets it first run. 34, and this is turning out to be a economical one for the bowling side. Mohammad Shabir, the man from Chowki, on strike. It will movement away, and it will be nothing on this occasion. And a brilliant dot ball and successful over once again in the middle by Ajju Kaja. 3 came from the over. 34 4 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 34 after 4. Rafiq Bedra comes with the last over of the innings, number 1, and it was just a single to start by Faiz. Shabir on strike. 5 deliveries that left from the innings. Big Singh and keeps the line away from the batter. This is so smart plan from Rapi. And it looks to be working so far in the front line of this over. Last league match for the team, Mehfin. Desperately searching a wicket here by the bowling side. Already 5 wickets grabbed by the team. And Rapi is so concentrate on his length and line in front of these mid-order batters of Mehfin Chambarika. Trying to pull. Just only another one. 2 balls to go from the innings. 37. Need at least 1 big shot to secure a decent score. To the onside. Fine fielder there. Is always working hard on that position of mid-wicket. Only allows a single. And here we go for the last ball of the innings. Slower delivery from Rapi and just a connection to the onside. Slowly moving by the batters, and that will be the end of an excellent bowling innings from the side of Bask Bedira. 39 in the account of Mehfin Chambarika and 40 runs to chase for the team Bask. Stupendous, but this time absolutely wonderful way. Gets the first wicket of Yasir Arafat straight to the mid-wicket field. None for one, a tremendous start, a glorious start from Ashfaq Was, the Talangaran, who just bringing the excitement, and another senior man from Talangara, Ansaf Talangara joins. Toss jeicha team in the captain, decision etrayum pedana ariyikkuka. Catches a goal. 2 in 2 by Ashfaq Was. What is happening here in Lords? Ashfaq the magician is making some miracle. രണ്ട് വലിയ മത്സ്യങ്ങളെ വിഴുങ്ങുന്നു ഈ കുഞ്ഞൻ മത്സ്യം. Ashfaq Was is sitting in the headlines of Lords. What a 2 wickets, a priceless wickets. And Ashfaq Was is absolutely a prize gun for the side. This is a tremendous quality that produced a wicket. None for 2. Ashfaq on a hat-trick. New batter comes in, Asif. dispatched the ball into the crowd. Lovely delivery to back in the process by Ashwak. The contest is looks and smile to the deadly cricket fans. They're going to enjoy this game of cricket because 2 wickets down while chasing a target of a low scoring encounter. Ceylon won the toss and elected to bat for the next match. Need to load again. This is a smart plan from Ashwak, but goes way wide. He is the one who using brain lot along with his skill. What a star-studded bowler. Last ball of the over. On a ball and the ball is no more. Stealing the show by Shuhaib. വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ കഴിയാത്ത രീതിയിൽ നോ ബോൾ എന്ന അമ്പയർ കോൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നോ മോർ എന്ന ബോളിലൂടെ ഷുഹൈബ് need to load a free hit. Shuaib is a freebie, is flying into the night sky of Lords for MCC Premier League. Absolutely brilliant. This is so sweet from Ashwak. Execution in that free hit delivery that looks gorgeous. End of the over. സംഭവബഹുലമായ ഓവർ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ 14. ഇനി വേണ്ടത് 26, 24. സ്കോർ ബോർഡിൽ റണ്ണെത്തും മുൻപേ 2 വിക്കറ്റുകൾ, ഒന്ന് യാസർ അറഫാത്തിന്റേത്, മറ്റൊന്ന് അൻസാഫ് തലങ്കരയുടേത്. പക്ഷേ പ്രതിസന്ധികൾ രൂപപ്പെടുമ്പോഴാണ് യഥാർത്ഥ നായകൻ അവതരിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഷുഹൈബ് ഇവിടെ യഥാർത്ഥ ഹീറോയായി അവതരിക്കുന്നു. With that 2 sixes in the same over, that is the quality of counter attack. Marubaghat Ali is ready to get a pulley. Absolutely gets. Shebi എത്തുമ്പോൾ മറുഭാഗത്ത് അലി വ്യക്തമായി തന്റെ മേധാവിത്വം all the way for 6 runs അതിലൂടെ കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്. ഒരു വലിയ ഡെപ്ത് തങ്ങളുടെ ബാറ്റിംഗ് നിരയ്ക്കുണ്ടെന്ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു. യാസിർ അറഫാത്ത് ഒറ്റക്കായിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞ മത്സരം ചേസ് ചെയ്തെടുത്തതെങ്കിൽ ഇത്തവണ കൂട്ടായ ഒരു കടന്നലാക്രമണത്തിന് യാസിറിനെയും അൻസാഫിനെയും നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെടുത്ത ഒരു മികവ് വിടവ് നികർത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് ഷുഹൈബ് കാണിക്കുമ്പോൾ ആത്മവിശ്വാസത്തിന്റെ തളികയിൽ it will be on to the onside using a full length delivery. 22 balls, 19 required. How he looks to be, especially when they lost none for 2. Unbelievable comeback we are witnessing. Is always connecting from the middle part of the bat. That looks and giving some energy to the dugout for sure. And Shuaib gets another single. Ceylon Sporting won the toss and interesting, they were elected to bat first for the next match. On to the block call, tried by Shebi. That full length delivery nicely played through the long on region to get a single. Well in control by the batting side right now. This time might be trouble. Oh, no trouble. That chance puts it down and they gets a couple of runs between the wickets. 25 runs and 15 runs away the target from 19 balls. Oh, big swing from Shoaib. His intention is clears the ground and this will be the end of the over. 11 came from the over, 25 on card, 15 required from 18. 18 runs in the target. Malsara Vijayatana. Coming into the attack by Shafi Chambarika in front of Ali. Ali coming down the track, but Shafi is pulling back the length and beautifully beats a batter. And that is some connection. Not from the proper path, but he gets a maximum result for that. Ali with another maximum. Adding some cherry to cherish for this run chase. What a partnership they were stitching when they lost 2 wickets from nothing. And they were on 31. Overcomes the crisis by these two are just acting like a crisis managers. High in the sky, high and hard for 6 runs. Masterful batting from Ali. Setting an absolute brilliant scenes here. 6s look simple for this man. One more quality shot. Witt used really well and that will be boundary for 4. That is the end of the game. Absolutely a wonderful chase by the team. Boss Bedira in consecutive times chasing the target. So cool as a cucumber by the batters. Congratulations.